triangle ABC, BC equal to 4.8 centimeters, AB equal to 5.6, angle C equal to 60 degrees, here 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means this improper fraction. So improper means outside coming. Improper means outside coming. So join this one. This B, C, here C, here right, here A right. Improper only this C dash right, this A dash. This is rough diagram. Okay, now BC 4.8 centimeters, B and C 4.8 centimeters, same. After that angle C equal to 60 degrees, angle C 60 degrees take, angle C 60 degrees, join these points, and AB equal to 5.6, AB equal to 5.6, see here 5.6, see exact 5.6 take, and after that here B to A 5.6 arc draw. So this point is A, so join these points. Now draw one acute angle, X-ray, B-X-ray. Now here 5 parts again draw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now extend this line again, improper only outside coming. This also extend, this line also extend B, and improper means third part join here. Again parallel line draw like this. See this C means this C dash. Now this parallel lines draw again, A and C. See here, see observe here. After this here how much 60 degrees, right? So this 60 degrees means here also 60 degrees will come. Okay, this also 60 degrees. So these two are 60 degrees only coming. Okay na. Now this B X-ray, this B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay, this is constructions, proper and improper fractions.